I'm back. Hello, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I've been on for a couple months. I've been busy and Thanksgiving just passed. So, what better way to come up with holiday makeup glam looks? Whoa, try to say that 5 times. So I'm going to be creating 4 looks that I personally like for Christmas. So, you're going to be gathering with some of your family, friends, and I just want to do like holiday glam. I did this look today. Simple, yet a little bold. I did a red color, a little bit of glitter, and smoked out the eyeshadow. I hope you guys like this look. Please like and subscribe. And if you guys want me to do more looks like this, just keep on watching. Okay. So this is the eye that we have, and I'm going to do the same thing in the other eye. I'll be taking a fluffy brush and I'll be applying with it's like a, I don't have the eyeshadow, but it's burgundy brown, and I'll be placing that only at the bottom by my lid, trying not to go over the crease. And I'll be just packing in that color so it could have like a burgundy dark maroon. I try to stay away from the black, just because I have light eye color and sometimes it doesn't look good on me. Again, I'll be dipping and placing more pigment as I go, trying just to not have that harsh line on the top. I have 2 mirrors. I do have a big one, and then I do try to I try not to use my little one, but I'm so precise at my makeup that I can't not use my little mirror. So also right now I'll be taking a little fluffier brush, trying to smooth out that harsh color, and also I'll be applying this it's like a kind of like a skin tone color, just not adding too much different color, just blending it so I have a smoother, like a rounder to your eye shape. Again, I'll be putting a little bit more of that um, darker, like brown, burnt brown, just so I can darken the eye. Not too much, because I do want to try to have that color more of a burgundy maroon color instead of a black eye. And just blending as usual. I use the windshield wipers left and right, and I'm just looking at my eyes, trying to shape it rounder, but not go too much to the top by my eyebrow. So sometimes I'll be looking away and I have to just look into the mirror and look away, and doing that a couple times so I can get an even eyeshadow on both eyes. Man, doing videos and recording, it takes a lot of time, but these voiceovers actually make it a little bit better. But I know sometimes people prefer me talking, but I lose train of thought and I forget what I'm doing when I'm recording a video when I'm talking. So once I get the actual shape that I want, I go ahead and I'll be taking this. Well, actually, I missed a little spot. Hold on. I did like it, but hold on. So now, after doing that, I did order these pens of Amazon. They're eyeliner, and they're actually adhesive glue. So these are perfect whenever I don't want to use an eyeliner pencil. So I'll just be taking a little bit of that and just placing it super close to my eyelash line and just having that to stick with the eyelash. These are so awesome. I'm also want to do an Amazon favorites. I'll be posting that soon, not sure when. So after I do a small thin, very thin line close to my eyelashes, by this time I do have another glue. This one I also got it from Amazon. And I'm going to be placing on the eyelash, and I'm going to be placing just a little bit on the eyelash so it could get tacky. And by the way, these eyelashes are obviously from Ardell, and they're the style wispies. These have always been my go-to natural look. So also I do have the KK Beauty mascara, and I'll be putting this on a little bit on my eyelash. So when I do put the fake eyelashes, they would stick a little bit and have more of my natural look. Now this part, I usually can't do it with one hand, uh, but I know a lot of people can't put eyeliner on their waterline, but this really helps create the look and bring it together. So I'll be placing this, it's a very old pencil, it's called Revlon, it's brown. Once I'm done putting the eyelashes, I try to stick them super close to my eye, and hopefully it does not separate throughout the day, because nobody likes eyelashes that are flying away. So once I'm done with that, I'll be taking this little flat brush from MAC, and I'll be taking the same first color that I put on my eye, and I'll be placing that right at the bottom of my lower eyelid, and I'll be smudging it kind of close to the eyeliner that I just applied. I want it to get that burnt color. And then also I'll be taking a fatter brush where I could buff it out and not have a harsh line so it could be smoky. So right now, this is the brush I'll be taking. I forgot to show you guys how it looks. But it is a small brush. It's a little bit fatter. That way, the product that you put, it's not too harsh, and it makes it like a softer look. Also, for the inner glitter, I did buy this Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like a glitter. I was scared that this might have like glitter fallout, but actually it's a pretty good glitter. This one I got it at Ulta. It's the brand, I think it's Dose of Color. And I did get a synthetic brush just because I don't want my good brushes to have all this glitter. So I am taking just a little by little, placing where I want the glitter to be at. They're like small, medium, different sizes of glitter. So I'm just trying to place it right in the inner corner so it can have a little pop. And actually, this is it. Just put a little bit of mascara under my eyelash, and this is the final look. Smoky, fun, easy, And I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Please like and stay tuned for upcoming holiday makeup looks.